Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to manage your leads, track customers, and grow your business all for free? In this video, I will walk you through how to use HubSpot's free CRM step by step, perfect for beginners. So, what is HubSpot? What is HubSpot CRM? HubSpot CRM is a free customer relationship management tool. It helps you store contacts, track interactions, manage fields, and even automate follow ups all from one dashboard. Go to hubspot.com, then click on Get Free CRM button from the right side or from dashboard. Once you are then select your account like Google account. You can sign up with your Google account, Microsoft, Apple, or your email. So sign into your account. If you have already an account, just click sign in. And that's it. Or you can log into it with your Google account. Just select your account, click sign up with Google account. Then follow the process. Have you used software to manage or engage with customers before? No. Do you know which problems you want to solve with HubSpot? No. What industry are you in? Marketing. Then select yourself, your role like manager, then company name, musical, then enter your company website, then click create account, then follow the process, click capture process, then click continue. Wait a few minutes and select the marketing uh, plan like automate marketing, then next, and follow the process. You can use Zoom, Slack, etc. Then next. Now skip for now. Now you are in. Let's start by adding a contact. We get started or close. Got it. From the right side corner, click create contact. Fill in the name, email, first name, last name, then job title, phone number, etc. Then click create. You can also import a CSV file if you already have a list. Once a contact is added, you can view a timeline of interactions, add notes, emails, calls, and tasks all tracked automatically. This helps you keep up with every conversion. Now Let's build a sales pipeline. Go to sales from your left sidebar. Go to sales tab, then find the deals section, then click create deal from the right side corner and add details like deal name, value, and stage. HubSpot's drag and drop pipeline lets you move deals from one stage to another. Super simple. Just click I will set up myself for this tutorial and follow the process. Under each contact or deal, you can add tasks like reminders for follow-up calls or emails. This keeps you organized and helps you close more deals faster. HubSpot CRM lets you connect your Gmail or Outlook so you can send emails directly from the platform. You will even get notifications when someone opens your email. Want to collect leads? Go to marketing tabs from the left sidebar, then choose fields from forms tab or click create a form. You can embed it on your website and automatically capture contact information directly into your CRM. Then just follow the process like enter your first name, last name, email, and you can add more. Click the plus icon, then you can add the number option. That enter your phone number, enter your phone number, phone number. That's it. With the HubSpot mobile app, you can manage contacts, deals, and tasks on the go. Perfect for sales teams or freelancers working remotely. You can set up basic automation like sending a welcome email after form submission. Also use live chat widgets to talk to website visitors, all tracked inside your CRM. So now review and update, then click update. From the dashboard, you will see the services tab. From here, you can see the customer agent. From payments tab, go to payments and set up a payment tabs. Now follow the process for payment. And that's how to use HubSpot's free CRM to manage contracts, track sales, and grow your business's payment method. It's powerful, easy to use, and totally free. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a full automation tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.